So, as you guys seen from the intro, you guys know I just copped a new pair of shoes, the KD4 Year of the Dragons. I think these shoes are super dope. I think Nike basketball is also making a comeback. So, like, just watch for this year because I think we're getting a lot of Nike basketball sneakers that are releasing. So, you know, the KD4s recently made a comeback, and then the KD3s obviously were making a comeback as well. And you know the Galaxy KD4s are dropping later this month. So you know that's a must grab for me. Gotta have it. So getting off into like a little bit of details about the shoe. Nothing too crazy. First off, let me start with the obvious. You guys see that dragon right there with the embroidered Nike swoosh, the brown swoosh in the back. Super dope. You got that brown sock lining. You got the gum bottom. Nice touch. It complements the brown really well. I really like that. You got that red Nike swoosh, red on the bottoms. Boom. That subtle red, super nice. I like that. Boom. Then on the left shoe as well, you have a dragon. Same thing as the right shoe. Super nice, super comfortable. Boom. And then let me get off into the insoles. So super basic insoles, nothing too crazy. It doesn't have the sticker on there like it normally would that like represents size 13. That would say size 13. But this is what the insoles look like. Super thin and flimsy. But on the inside of the shoe, it does have like a little bit of extra padding. It is a Nike basketball shoe. So you know what I'm saying? Like there would be like some added comfort somewhere. It didn't have that thick sole like the GT Cut 3s where it's like a drop insole and it has that thick padding. These do not have that. So these are like flimsy as heck. But they made up for it with additional padding on the inside, which you guys can't really see. But if you have a pair of KD4s, you obviously know what I'm talking about if you took your insoles out. But you can also add another sole in there. I don't see why not. That would make these more comfortable. But already just like out the box, these are pretty comfortable to wear consistently, and I wouldn't see them like being an issue if you like wore them for a long period of time. Super cool. Also too, this like fell off the shoelaces, but I got this little thing right here. I have no idea what this is supposed to represent, but normally, you know, like the clot shoes, like where they get like the little clot symbol thing, like this is what this reminds me of. But I literally have no idea. It looks like a little mini broom or something, like sweep off the box. But get into the box. You got the KD on the top of the lid. You got the Nike on the side of the box. You got the sizing right here. Boom, size 13, my personal size, as y'all can see. It's the box. And then it also came with this like dust bag, this gold dust bag. The shoes were like wrapped in here, so it didn't come with like paper traditionally. It just came with this like dust bag, which is pretty dope. And these shoes were $150. A lot for a KD. Like normally they sit at like $130, like $110, whatever. The basketball shoes are a little bit more up there, like the 16s are like $150, around there. But not breaking the bank, but super affordable if you like this pair. Like I said, I don't think a lot of people had this on their radar. I don't think this was like a well sought after shoe. But I had to grab it. It just looked too dope. But yeah, y'all let me know how y'all feel about this. And y'all let me know how y'all feel about the state of Nike basketball, because I think they're really trying to make a comeback, especially with them dropping the KD Galaxy 4s. They're going to be dropping some foam posits here soon, the Galaxy foam posits. So like a lot of Nike basketball shoes are coming out. And I think that they're trying to revive Nike basketball. But that's just me, that's my opinion. But y'all let me know y'all thoughts on it. I'm going to go ahead and get into the on feet. So before I leave, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like this video, leave some comments down below. Your boy just cracked 1K subscribers. So, you know what I'm saying, I'm on my way to 2K. So y'all help me get there. If you guys see this video, just go ahead and like it. It doesn't hurt you any. And then sub to the channel, man, so you guys can see more quality content. But that's it for today's video. King Kilo is out. Peace.